Hi, this is Kathlyn. I will be sharing with you my third biggest lessons in my 30 years of trading journey. And this third lesson is about respecting the big trend. So what do I mean by the big trend? So first you need to understand that 40% of the stock price movement is actually affected by the bigger macro environment. So what is the bigger macro environment? Which is the monetary policy, right? For example, the money supply, the interest rates directions, right? As well as other central bank policies. It's also related to the fiscal policy, right? What the government are doing, the geopolitical tension, or even major impact on the environment. For example, the pandemic, right, can affect a big part of the stock price, which is at least 40%. And another 30% is affected by the industry trend. Right? For example, right now we have the big wave on technology trend. Like everything is moving towards, like most of the things are moving towards automation. Right? So we need to respect that big trend as well. But despite the big trend of technology, we still need to understand the bigger environment of the geopolitical tension, like for example between US and China. Okay. If we do not understand this part and how it can impact the stock market, we can hold on to a stock for too long. For example, right, you may be thinking that, wow, I am holding a strong fundamental stock, so I don't have to cut loss, right? Not realizing that it can even go down by 50% in such a big macro crisis environment, just like what we have witnessed, right, during the COVID-19 as well as during the geopolitical tension between Russia and Ukraine war. Okay, but on the other hand, if you understand this big picture, right, you can make a lot of money as well, because the big money is in the big trend. The big money is in the big trend. So why is it so important? You know, after trading for so many years, I realized how many big trends I have missed because of not understanding this. So I make sure that every big trend that I miss, I study what affected, right? What was the root cause for it, so that I can catch the future wave, right? And I'm glad that I was able to catch the turnaround, right? Not just from the bottom up, but also from the top turning back down. That is very important for you to manage the risk as well as to capture the big opportunity. Remember this 40-30-30 rule, right? 40% is based on the macro, 30% is based on the industry trend, and only 30% is company specific. So I hope this helped you. Remember, do not rely on holding to just strong fundamental stocks without understanding the big picture.